देखिए एक सेकंड देखिए एक सेकंड मैं बोल सकता हूं। एक सेकंड देखिए, इन इलेक्शंस के माध्यम से जनता ने हमें एक मैसेज दिया है और उस मैसेज को मैंने और कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सिर्फ दिमाग से नहीं मगर दिल से सुना है। The Congress party has the ability to transform itself. The Congress party has the ability to stand up to the expectations of the people of this country, and the Congress party is going to do that. The Congress party also, and myself and the Congress president, would like to congratulate our opponents who have won the election. We work for the people of this country, and it is our duty to listen to you. That is what we are supposed to do. And I want to tell you that we have heard what you have said, and we are going to do whatever we can do as individuals and as a party to live up to your expectations. Myself, Sheila ji has worked hard in Delhi, and I believed that Sheila ji gave good governance. But I think what we need to do as a party is move ahead of just talking about good governance, and we need to move to a paradigm, to a place where we are actually giving serious space to the common man in our processes, in our systems, in our structures. Political parties today are not giving adequate voice to the man on the street, and it is our job as institutions of the voice of people to do that. I fundamentally believe that, and I'm going to put all my efforts in transforming the organization of the Congress party together with the leaders of the Congress party, and give you an organization that you can be proud of, and an organization has voice embedded inside it. I can't hear you. I think both the major parties are thinking about, particularly in Delhi, are thinking about politics in a traditional way. And I think we need to start thinking about politics of empowerment of people. I've been saying this inside the Congress party. I'm going to now do it very aggressively in the Congress party, and I'm going to work with the leadership of the Congress party to make this central to our. No, Mr. Kejriwal. मैं जवाब देने दो.
Whatever you said in Jaipur has not been translated into action.
No, that's. I'm sorry, that's not that.
You made a lot of tall promises.
No.
You have virtually gone back.
No, that is not true.
In terms of distribution of tickets, in terms of
This is the last one.
Anyway, I think the Aam Aadmi Party has involved a lot of people who the traditional parties did not involve. We are going to learn from that, and we are going to do a better job than anybody in the country and involve people in ways that you cannot even imagine right now. About the, you asked me just now a question about Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi is the leader of the BJP. The Congress party has a vision of this country. The Congress party has a perspective of this country, and the BJP has another perspective of this country. Our job is to push our perspective, to push what we believe in, and that is what we are going to do. Their job is to push their perspective and to push what they believe in. So my focus is on what I can help the people of this country with. That is my, let me finish please. That is my focus, that is the focus of the Congress party. How can we transform this country? How can we use the power of the youth in this country to give a better future to this country? One second, what the BJP is doing, what other people are doing, that is their concern. What we are going to do is what we are focused on. Thank you very much.